Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
So welcome to the Nordson Dage booth. I'm joined by Jay Weimer, who's actually the president and CEO of Valtronic, which is a contract manufacturer. Welcome, Jay. Nice to see you.
Thank you, Trevor. Nice to be here.
Before we start talking about equipment, maybe fill us in a little bit on the background of Valtronic. Tell our viewers a little bit about the company, how many lines you have, the types of product mix you do.
Sure, Trevor. Valtronic, we actually celebrate our 30-year anniversary opening in the U.S. this year, actually this month.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you. Thank you. It's been a nice run. We have a couple different lines. We focus in some of the aerospace, the medical, and some industrial fields with a little bit of telecom mixed in. But quality for us is job one. And in looking at our business model, we replaced several of our other lines and machines last year. And to kind of round that out, Trevor, we decided by looking at the age of the machines and the quality, we needed to upgrade our X-ray, which we recently did with the Nordson brand.
Okay, so you invested in a Nordson Dage standalone machine for your inspection?
Oh, absolutely. And they installed a few months ago, and I already see the rewards of that because our quality is a lot better. It takes it all the way back through the process control into, let's really focus here on what the problems were, and we've really had some good corrective actions.
It really opens up your failure analysis. You can see everything with the clarity of the images.
Absolutely. In our business, we do wire bonding as well as surface mount devices. And with the wire bonding, as you know, you can't really see failures once you have encapsulation.
Correct.
So this allowed us to see within that package or even within package parts if there happened to be a problem. But the biggest use we see here is medical wants to be as small as possible. You really need to see if there's shorts underneath of the BGA placements, and with this machine it allows us to do that.
Yeah, of course it does. I mean, you can take various slices and you can see exactly where the defects are in the bridging.
Well, and that was one of the benefits after looking at several other models that this one provided us. It actually has some angle ability so that they can change the angle of the board, and the depth of the perception of this machine and the strength of the signal is tremendous.
What about voiding in BGAs? Is that a big concern for you?
It is somewhat. We keep a close eye on that. Of course, you don't want any pockets of air because that allows for moisture buildup and further quality issues.
Okay, so you've invested in this machine, but it also it lets you see the BGAs in the XY, but it does have quite obtuse angles, around to about 60 degrees.
Yes.
How much has that helped identify defects?
Well, as our parts get smaller and smaller, of course, with medical devices, especially implants, you want those as small as possible. So by being able to angle the perception of the table itself, that allows us to do a better job at looking either under or within packages. So that's been a great help.
Well, I want to thank you very much for talking to us today, telling us about your experience with the Nordson Dage machine, and look forward to talking to you more in the future.
Thanks, Trevor.
Thank you.